Okay, so this is the last harvest I'm ever gonna do. I'm just gonna pick as much stuff. So this is I took these, uprooted these from my farm because I knew there was a frost, and I covered them with plastic. So I mean, they're not gonna get any bigger than this. So I feel like I should pick. I'm gonna pick a few of these small ones because I feel like I need to give energy to bigger ones. So I got 3 mini bell peppers. I guess they'll be good and something. And these herbs. Oh, okay. I didn't take a ton of these herbs. So I like to make potatoes. Let's see, lettuce greens. Let these lettuces grow a little bit more. They're getting a little bit leggy though. Okay, let's see. I'll take jalapenos too. Oh, I think I already have some in the house. Okay, this. I'm also going to take some of these. Actually, even though it tastes gross, it's good for you. An onion. Take all the onions actually. A few onions. Okay, and then got a hot pepper right here. Okay. Well, that's my harvest for today. And thank you for watching. My name is Ethan. So I have a vegan life hack. If you cut the top off of it, and then you cut the inside out, like that, that's all you have to do. And then scrape it, and then you take it over to the sink. Rinse it, dump it out, and then no seeds. There you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Look at my little cute puppy we just got. She's like so small. She is crazy. She's so cute.